should go from the
Monday, March 21st, 2025. Car show here in the neighborhood.
Yeah, very nice.
Just a few.
Very beautiful eye.
Mustang. 73 Firebird.
I think my brother like this.
Oh yeah, I like this one. This is for sale. Chrysler.
Very cute color.
Jaguar.
Why don't you stand right behind the 14 there? There you go.
Look like some movie.
This is an original.
This one cute.
100 years old. Wow.
And you see
An Alaska tag to boot.
Focus on the wheel, more like that wheel show.
What, the wagon wheel originally?
The wheel made from
The
wood.
wooden spoke?
Yeah, wooden wheel. Very nice.
Beautiful.
And you're all invited to our birthday party.
Oh.
We got balloons.
You have cake for him?
I do have a cake.
Oh.
1990 Chrysler Maserati. Corvette.
See, I told you.
Very nice.
Thank you. How you guys doing?
Very nice.
Can you focus on engine? The engine very good.
1978
Yes, see the
silver
engine.
anniversary.
See the engine.
It's chromed.
Wow.
That's got some horses there.
Did it Eric?
74, they went down a lot of gasoline, it changed everything.
Did
Oh,
my pickleball friend car.
it's a
Eric.
pickleball.
Yeah, Eric car. Eric and Michelle, the one who sing a song that day. Very
There you go.
nice. Bye bye.
Here's some more cars.